Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Vlog-O-Ween. And in today's video, I'm actually taking this as a huge inspiration from Paige. Anytime Paige does a PR haul, she does a makeup organization afterwards. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna clean up my beauty room because, well, you'll see it here in just a minute. And then I'm gonna organize all the new makeup into what I'm keeping, what I'm giving away. And then I'll also probably just try to sort it into like type of videos I want to do. So if you guys want to see all that, well, then definitely keep watching. Okay, so this is what we are working with right now. So yeah, all this needs to be cleaned up and thrown away, organized. And then I also have over here, ignore the Christmas decorations. I have to also go through this box as well. There's tons of makeup in here that I need to seriously just go through and organize and finally clean up this whole area because it's just been sitting here for a while. I need to go through everything. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and set up my camera and we are going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is all the new makeup that I have right now. As you guys can see, I have a lot of new makeup. I'm gonna keep these two boxes right here. Those contain my Jacqueline Roxanne earrings and necklaces. I honestly don't have a space for them right now because I put them in these true drawers right here and I'm out of space. So I'm just going to keep the boxes how they are, especially since the brand is no longer a brand anymore. I still want to cherish onto them, so I'm just going to store them back in that corner over there. I just have an empty box in my Chucky mirror I had to put away, and my Bath and Body Works candles. But here is like literally all the new makeup. Now I kind of have to go through here and decide what do I want to keep and what do I want to put away for a giveaway. Also, this is the brand new Alter Ego Mirage palette. I will be doing a review on this, so I'm going to be keeping these two because I'm doing one for me and then one for a giveaway. But I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do a giveaway at the end of the month for my birthday, like have like a little birthday stream and do some giveaways for my birthday. So let me show you guys what this palette looks like. Bet she looks familiar, doesn't she? Yep, this is a dupe to the Huda Beauty Empowered palette that came out last year. Love that palette, but this is a dupe to it. So I will be doing a review so you guys can see that. But like I said, I'm gonna keep one for myself, do one for a giveaway. But I gotta organize everything, separate what I'm gonna keep, what I'm putting away, I think honestly for my birthday giveaway, because we definitely do have duplicate items in here and I don't need to have like duplicate items because, well, I already have like too much makeup as it is, and I just don't believe in keeping duplicates. So let me go ahead and start to separate what I want to keep, what I want to give away. But yeah, this is all the new makeup. It's crazy, y'all. This is something I never thought would happen to me, and I am just still beyond grateful and so blessed. This is such a true moment. This is really cool, and I'm very, very grateful to these brands. But I'm also really realistic and know that I'm not going to go through every single product that you guys see sitting right here just because I only have one face. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and organize these. Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. I think this is how Paige does it, but I'm gonna kind of go through the items. So this entire box right here, this is a duplicate of all the Winky Luxe items. I have literally another set sitting over there in the corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside for a giveaway just because I don't need to have duplicates. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I am gonna take all the items out of the box because it does have my shipping address on here. But yeah, this would be part of our first giveaway. Okay, so here is the collaboration. This is Ofra. This is the project influencer with Ofra. They did a collaboration with Yara, so she created these 3 little mini sets right here, along with this eyeshadow palette. Super, super, super cute. So we're gonna go ahead and put this aside to keep. Here we have an iconic London palette. I know I'm not going to end up using this palette, so I'm going to go ahead and put this aside for a giveaway. I already reviewed this collection from ColourPop, so we're going to go ahead and put this away. I'm going to keep this. Now, I am so proud of my amazing friend Paige for creating her own project influencer with Ofra, but I already have all these items, so I'm going to go ahead and put this into a giveaway because I love these items so much. I want someone else to get a better use out of them, only because I already own them. So congratulations, Paige. I'm so proud of you, and I'm so excited to put this into someone else's hands. I have a little makeup sponge set from Unearthly Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a giveaway. Got this little set from Pixie. I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a giveaway. I'm gonna be selfish. These are all my backup sponges from Ofra. These are my absolute favorite, and I go through these like crazy, so I'm gonna keep all these for myself. I wanna try this mascara from What's Up Beauty, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep. I'm gonna keep this entire collection from Florasis because I have not tried it yet, so I do wanna keep these. So we have these little goodies I'm going to keep. Now, you guys know I just said I'm going to do a video on this. I'm going to keep one for myself, but I'm going to put one for a giveaway. But I think what I'm going to do is instead of doing a giveaway in that video, I'm going to have the giveaway again at the end of the month. It'll be like it'll be curated into like a little mystery box, like an indie mystery box. So one's for me and one's for a giveaway. Next, I got these 2 highlighters from What's Up Beauty. We have, I touched my finger into it. We have the Safari Sunset and the Wild Attica. I think I'm going to keep them both because they are 2 different ones. I'm going to try them out, but we have 2 highlighters from here. My voice just kind of cracked. Bought this to review and play with, but I never had a chance to play with this. This is the new like L'Oreal product, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this away for a giveaway. Okay, so up next we have a Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along. Same with the sunscreen. I actually already have this. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along. And I'm gonna pass these 2 along as well because I also do have these as well. We have a little Profusion blush stick. I was gonna use this for a video, but I never had a chance to, so we're gonna pass this along. An Unearthly Cosmetics lip mask. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along. I'm gonna keep the Charlotte Tilbury mascara. 2 lashes from Unearthly. I'm gonna keep this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and pass along this one. We have an Revlon lip liner. I do want to try this, so I'm gonna keep. Eye primer from Unearthly. I'm gonna pass along. Brush set from Unearthly. I'm gonna pass this along. I have all these blushes from Unearthly. I'm gonna go ahead and pass these along because these are magnetic, and I just don't like having loose blushes like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass these along. So I do have some backup foundations from Revlon. I do already have this, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass this one along. It's also a shade too deep for me. but I think if I don't have this one, I'll keep this one, but I am going to pass this one along. I have so much Benefit products at this moment, so I'm going to go ahead and pass majority of these along. I'm going to go ahead and pass the brow wax along, the Goof Proof brow pencil. I'm going to keep the 24-hour brow setter because I do need to back up that one. I'm going to go ahead and pass along the brow thingy right here. I am going to pass these two along. I'm going to keep the pomade and Gimme Brow. And I'm going to go ahead and pass these along as well. And I'm going to keep. I'm going to go ahead and pass this along with the multitasking brush stick from Yensa Beauty. I'm going to keep these two glosses from Maybelline. I actually got my first like Jacqueline PR, but you guys know I don't really do liquid blushes, so I think I might just like keep one shade and honestly just go ahead and pass along the rest. The lip oils I'm absolutely keeping from Jacqueline Cosmetics. I don't want this, but I did swatch this and try it on a video, so I don't know what to do. Let me know in the comments below if I should add this to a giveaway, otherwise it's just going to get decluttered along the way. And I'm going to keep this gloss from ColourPop. I have all these lip products from Unearthly Cosmetics. I really do enjoy the brand, but these are colors that I realistically won't wear that much, so I'm going to go ahead and actually just pass these along. I'm going to keep these blushes from Jacqueline. I'm going to go ahead and pass these along. I got to try this for video, so I'm going to keep. I know I won't use this palette, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this along. I also don't use liquid liner, so I'm going to pass this along, and I already have a mascara from them, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this along. And then I might try this cleanser and the balm. I think I might keep these two to try. I'm going to keep these two products from Charlotte Tilbury. Cream brush from Yensa I'm going to try. And then I think the only thing from here that I'm honestly not going to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and like pass these along right here because I won't use these, but the rest you guys see right here I'm going to go ahead and keep because I still want to try for like a new video and whatnot. So let me show you guys what I'm keeping versus what I'm going to put into giveaways. Okay, so this is everything that I have for my giveaway so far. I think the way I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do mystery boxes. So I'm gonna have like an Ofra Cosmetics mystery box because I'm sure I'll have more items in there. I'll do like an indie mystery box, a like affordable mystery box, a high-end mystery box. I'm gonna see what I can do to make it really fun. I might not do like that, but I think I'm just gonna like curate these into mystery boxes for my birthday, so you guys will know like, hey, so like, hey, this is like an indie makeup mystery box. So you guys can kind of have an idea of what is going to be in there. Like I said, I love to give back as much as possible because none of this would be possible if it wasn't for each and every single one of you. So just know that I'm going to give back to the best of my ability. And like I said, that's going to be for my birthday. At the end of the month, we will have some special giveaways for my birthday stream because I just want to say thank you guys so much for everything you guys have done for me. So just know that this is going to be coming into some mystery boxes for my birthday. So this is everything that I'm giving away. And again, thank you so much to these brands for being so generous, and I'm just so happy I can give back to you guys. So let me show you guys what I'm keeping. All right guys, and this is everything that I'm keeping, pretty much like an even amount I think between the two. I am going to go ahead and pull some items aside for videos that I have coming up, but these are all the items that I'm keeping. And then like I said, if I get any more items throughout the month, I'm just going to kind of separate between keeping and putting into my giveaway for my birthday stream. But let me go ahead and start to organize these for like how I'm going to do my videos. But I just want to show you guys what I was keeping versus what I was putting away for a giveaway. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to section this out. I'm going to section it out between like what I'm going to do for my new videos, what I'm going to put away, and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over camera so we can go ahead and do that together. Okay, so what I decided to do is I decided to put all the makeup that I want to try out for YouTube videos and test out. I put that in this drawer so that I can put it like, oh my gosh, this is heavy. Put this right over here so that I can continue to test out this makeup. I also put some products down here as well so I can continue to test out all this makeup that you guys see right here. But now let's look to see what we have left. So what I decided to do is I decided to put all the makeup that I want to try out for YouTube videos and test out. I put that in this drawer so that I can put it like, oh my gosh, this is heavy. Put this right over here so that I can continue to test out this makeup. I also put some products down here as well so I can continue to test out all this makeup that you guys see right here. But now let's look to see what we have left. So now this is nice and clean. Thank gosh, I feel so much better. This is finally clean and organized compared to how it was. And there's Mr. Goees. Over here, I did put like my Jaclyn Cosmetics, like I did put my Jaclyn Roxanne right here, and then these are books that I have to actually put away. And then this whole box right here, this is going to be my giveaway box right here. So like I said, this is going to get broken down and separated into mystery boxes, but I'm also going to add more products to this throughout the month that I can. So it definitely looks a lot better compared to how it once did. So thank you so much for being here for this little quick, you know, organize and clean my beauty room with me. I always see Paige do this whenever she does her PR haul. She always does a great organization video. I love Paige's videos. She's so good at them. But I finally got my makeup organized, all put away, put into giveaway piles, which are so well needed. I just hate getting cluttered with products because it just makes me feel like so anxious. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlog-O-Ween video. If you guys did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos. Actually, no, I post every single day to the best that I can during the month of Vlog-O-Ween. Make sure you guys check out my other channels, R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.